Hey guys, welcome you all. And Suman and you're watching Computer
In
Experts.
this video, we're going to see how to download and install Visual Studio 2022 in your laptop.
Make sure to stick around till the end. So without any further delay, let's start the session. For this,
First of all, open your favorite browser and type here Visual Studio 2022 in the search box of Google. Now click on the first option which is flashing on the screen. As you can see on the screen, the Microsoft website has been opened. From here you have to search for the downloads for downloading of the Visual Studio 2022. Here certain options are flashing here. You can download community edition, professional edition or enterprise edition depending upon your requirement. But in this video I'm going to show you how to download the community edition. After clicking on the free download, the exe file will be downloaded. So find out the downloaded exe file and double click on that. Now the installation of Visual Studio 2022 has been started. It's going to take some of the time depending on the options you have selected. Now you are able to see on screen various options which you have to select for installation. So click on the workloads and select the workloads according to requirement. Here it is shown Azure, ASP.NET, Python, Node.js. So just click out. So click according to requirement and select for the installation. Click on the option of give development with Unity and certain other options you can also select. So you will select the install while downloading option and click on install. Installation of Visual Studio 2022 Community Edition has completed. Now from here you can choose the color theme, dark or light or whatever you. After selecting the color theme, you have to click on the Start Visual Studio. This will prepare for the first use and it's obviously going to take some of your time. This is the first screen of Visual Studio 2022 Community Edition. Now click on the Create New Project. On the right hand side, certain templates are there from where you can select the web app or the .NET application or the web API according to your needs. From here you can select and create your own project. this way you can download Visual Studio 2022 in your laptop. It has certain features that are going to change your life. One of the most exciting features of the Visual Studio 2022 is the .NET 6. In this version, the IntelliCore is even better. It automatically completes the larger core chunks, and also it has the hot reload. The hot reload features allows UI modification while the project debugs and applies changes without a restart debugging. One more exciting feature of Visual Studio 2022 is enhanced debugging. It is a friend to the developer with a new debugging tool that can diagnose issues quickly. You can use async visualizations, automatic analyzers, and time timer debugging, and many more. So do try installing Visual Studio 2022.
That's all for today. अगर ये वीडियो आपको अच्छी लगी हो तो don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel. All the social media links are written in the description and the comment below. See you in the next video. Until then, goodbye and good luck.